Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and easy recipe, mug cake. All it is cake in a mug. Who would have guessed? It's great because all you do is throw all your ingredients in a mug, put it in the microwave and ta-da! You've made a cake. So, what you'll need for this bakey cakey is a microwaveable mug, a smaller spoon than last time, and yeah, you guessed it, a microwave. Your ingredients include 45 grams of self-raising flour. This can also be measured out in 3 tablespoons if you don't have weighing scales. If you want your mug cake a little more light and fluffy, add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of milk. You can use cow's milk or alternative milk, and chunks of your favourite chocolate. Step 1. Add all of your ingredients, apart from your chocolate chunks, to the mug. Give it a little mix. Now, add your chocolate chunks to the middle. Put your mug in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. If you're making more than one mug cake and microwaving them at the same time, add an extra 30 seconds per mug. Now enjoy this delicious mug cake oozing with chocolate.